go to AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. And first we're going to set the limits. Go to limits command, type limits, specify upper right corner, lower left corner 0, 0, enter upper right corner 297, 210. Say zoom Z, enter all, enter A. Now we'll go for line command and consider any point on the lower left corner of the sheet and can take any approximate distance and click on the first button of the mouse in the horizontal direction, and then from here you take the cursor, move up and click on the first button of the mouse of any convenient distance and then say enter. Then go to offset. Now we're going to set the sheet size of A4, so type 297. So you select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Then again specify offset distance, you take 210 and offset this horizontal line to the top side, and then go to zoom extents and then zoom 0.7x. Then go to fillet, set the radius as 0. You select this line, vertical line, and then this horizontal line. Similarly, you select this vertical line and then this horizontal line. You select this horizontal line and then this vertical line. Now we are going to get the A4 size sheet. Now we will going to write the question now. To do that, so we'll go for the text. So specify start point. You select some point arbitrarily on the screen and give the height as 4 and the rotation angle as 0 and type the problem number 37. So now a point capital M is 30 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. Another point N, capital N, is 15 mm behind VP and 25 mm below HP, below HP, full stop. The horizontal distance between the points parallel to XY line is 50 mm. Draw the projections of the points M and N and join their front and top views. Draw the right side view for the point N only. Now we'll go back to this zoom previous and now previous. Now we'll go for the layer command and click on the new layer and type XY by putting the caps lock on and go to the line weight. Default line weight, you make it 0.13 and say OK. And then for layer 0, the default line weight, you make it as 0.05. And the layer 0 is the current layer, which you can see here, the tick mark. And it is also, you can see here, which is 0. Once you do this and close this command and go to line. Now we're going to switch on the line weight. And then first we're going to draw a horizontal line. And then go to offset, take the distance as 20 and offset on this side, and then take the distance as 30 on this side. Then go to line, nearest point on this to perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet, select between these two and remove it. Then erase this line and erase this line. Now we'll go for offset, take the distance as 50, then go to offset, take the distance as 15 on this side, then 25 on this side, then go to trim this extra line, trim this extra line. Then go to erase. Once you do that, go to do not, make 0, outside diameter is 3, take endpoint of this, and endpoint of this, and endpoint of this, and endpoint of this line. Now we will take any convenient distance from here and draw the x1, y1 line. So here, go to line, take intersection point of this, at the rate of 100 less than 45, then go to line, take center of this, and draw a horizontal line, and line take center of this, and draw a horizontal line, and take line, first point int of line, int of this line, and take perpendicular to this, and go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Then go to break this line till here, and they break this line till here, and break this line till here, and break this line till here. Once you do this, then again go to do not. So take center point of do not as intersection point of this. Now we will go for detext. So here you mark these points as m dash and rotation angle. So go to m dash and here which is m, and similarly here it is n, this is n dash, and this is n double dash. Then go to line, take center of this and center of this. Similarly line, take center of this and take center of this. Then now we need to go for detext. Put the caps lock on and mark this as x, and you mark this as y, mark this as x1 and y1. So once you name them, then go to zoom, then go to zoom, then go to move, zoom window, select this, and then go to move, put the ortho of x, move this x, m dash, m, and then n dash, and here n, and here n double dash, and you mark this y, and you mark this as x1, and you mark this as y1. Go to DDIM and go to modify, click on offset from the origin as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, go to text, make this text height as 4, then center it is vertical, you make it above, align with dimension line, offset from origin is 3, primary units you make it as 0, and say OK and close it. Then go to dim vertical, take center of this and take int of this, and so this dimension is 20. So here you take this line, take center of this line and center of this line. Line center of this line to center of this line. Then go to dim vertical, take center of this and intersection point of this. Make it 30. Dim horizontal, take center of this and the center of this. So here it is 50. Then go to move, select this m dash, and here it is n dash, n, and you make it n dash, and you make it m. Dim vertical, take center of this and intersection of this, get 15. Similarly dim vertical, center of this and int of this, and you are going to get 25. Then go to dim angle, select this line and this line, and you mark it as 45 degrees. So once you get this, then go to leader, take center of this and drag this and put the ortho mode on, annotation option none. Then go to the text, type RSV. Then this is how. Then go to leader, go to nearest point and drag this and annotation option none. Then go to explode, erase this, then go to copy, select this and go to nearest, this perpendicular to this line. So be able to copy this. Then go to leader, take nearest on this and take it on this side, annotation options none, and go to explode X, then go to erase. So this is how you will be able to draw the drawing in AutoCAD. Now we will go for selecting this and this line, change and go to layer, make this as XY layer and close it. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing in AutoCAD for this particular problem of projections of points. Then move this entire thing and place it wherever you want. And then you just go to save, go to appropriate drive and say take P37 and then save it. And finally